Hi guys, it's US Coin World, and today we're going to be talking about US silver coins. So in this video, I will be talking about the different type of US coins that are silver and what year the coins were made that contain silver. So in the United States, there are four coins that contain silver. They're, they are the half dollars, they're the nickels, the dimes, and the quarters. So let's get started. First, we will go over the silver quarters and the dimes. So when you are hunting for silver quarters and dimes, the dates you want to look for are any dates before 1965. So quarters from 1964 and below, they all contain silver, and they contain 90% silver. So 1964 was the last year that quarters and dimes contain silver. So it is really cool to know that your regular quarter and your regular dime might actually be a silver dime or quarter. And another way to tell if your quarter and dime contain silver is by looking at the edge. So you can easily tell when your coin is silver by looking at the edge because the edge has like this silverish and white color to it. And if it's copper or any other metal, then it'll have like this reddish color to it. Next coin we're going to look over is the silver half dollars. So for the half dollars, they made 90% silver half dollars and 40% silver half dollars. So the last year silver half dollars were made was 1970. Now there are other half dollars that contain silver after 1970, but those are special coins made in very, very low mintages. So from 1965 to 1970, half dollars contained 40% silver. Any pre 1965 half dollar will contain 90% silver. So it's fairly easy to find a silver half dollar than other denominations because half dollars, lots of them were produced and they were made pre 1971, so you'll have more chances in finding silver half dollars than other denominations. And for the last coin for our video, we will be going over the silver nickels. Now what's cool about the silver nickels is they were only minted from 1942 to 1945, and they are called war nickels because that was during World War II. So these nickels, they only contain 35% silver. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you liked it, make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I hope you have a great day, and in the comments below, write whether you have found some silver coins. I have just gotten into coin roll hunting, so I've already found two silver coins. A silver half dollar from 1967 and a silver dime from 1962.